Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to an absolutely gorgeous evening in Los Angeles. I am very, very excited. I have been having a lot of fun playing with these transparent base coats with the modern minimal pour. And last week we did one called Mystic, which was really cool. It was on a pre-painted base and it was very minimal. And I used some pearl blue and some pearl yellow. And if you go back and look at the dried result of that one, when it shifts and you see these little tiny ghosty streaks of the pearl blue, it was so pretty to me, and it just can't get that out of my head. So we're going to play with that a little bit more. Actually, we are only using pearls and the 24 karat gold tonight. So this is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas. It is pre-loved. I have already taped and pinned the back, and I've painted the sides and edges and the surface with some Prussian blue. So that's all ready to go, and that one's level. We have here some of our transparent base coat. This is my pouring medium, my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol pouring medium, mixed up with a lot of water, nice and thin, not really leaving a mound, pretty much sinking right into itself. So this is pretty thin, and my paints are the same consistency as this. So this is your transparent base coat, which is also the pouring medium. So game plan is we're going to put down the transparent base coat. We're gonna do some amazing things with our colors in the bottle, and then we're gonna tilt it up. So the first one we have is Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. I love this color, especially as a gold. When it's drying on top of something dark, it's a beautiful, beautiful pale gold color. I really, really like it when it's on top of something lighter. It's just a very creamy, pearly color, which is very pretty. We also have the Pearl Blue from Amsterdam. And you'll notice these are the same bottles that I started this whole project with. This technique does not use a lot of paint. So that's the Pearl Blue and the Pearl Yellow, and then we have some DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And I'm only using these three because I really want that ghosty Pearl Blue effect on the darker base, which is why I painted it a nice dark color, the Prussian Blue. So let's get started. We're gonna pour a nice judicious amount right here in the center. Tilt that up just a little bit. Okay, now let's put down some of our pearls. So my thought process here is that this is transparent, what's white right now. This is dark Prussian blue. Both of these should show up on top of the Prussian blue. So even though they look white right now, they are not white. This one is the Pearl Yellow. We're gonna do some lines like we did last time. And I'm not gonna have them so far apart this time. I'm gonna come in with some of our 24 karat gold. And we're gonna use some of that Pearl Blue. Let's see. We don't have to go crazy with this. We can just put some in there. But I am going to do a couple of weird, wacky things. Okay. I think this is so cool that it looks like it's nothing, right? When it's on here. But when it's dry, it's going to be amazing. It'll be really cool. Okay. Put those out of the way. Let's put a little bit more of this around our corners and edges. To me. Okay. We're going to use our stick and wreck this again just a little bit, just to break up the very structured linear. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Kind of looks like a Napoleon. Okay. That's pretty. I like that. Very soft, marbly looking. Okay, I'm excited. All right, let's dance. I'm gonna find the way to paint and take this for a walk. This is gonna be so cool. Just gonna take this down a little bit. A little bit of extra paint right there. Like invisible.
Good thing you have the gold on there.
You're right.
You won't be able to see anything.
Well, I can see it. I don't know if they can though. Can you see the pearl yellow and the pearl blue?
Nope.
Yeah. We're almost there. I'm just gonna anchor that over the edge. And then we're gonna come back. And open that up. I think that's it. I think we are done. That's so cool looking. It looks just like white marble with gold veins. That's really cool. Wow, I'm so excited about this one. So I can see all in here, all the pearl yellow and the pearl blue. And then of course you can see the gold. This is gonna be awesome. This is really cool. We're gonna torch it one more time because I see some bubbles.
Tell if it's in focus or not.
Okay, so this is really pretty and I'm super excited. Like we said before, what you see as the white is the transparent base coat and is going to dry clear, leaving us with these beautiful tracks and trails of the pearl yellow and the pearl gold, or the pearl blue and the pearl yellow and this 24 karat gold, which we can see, all of which should be blinging like crazy. So I am very, very excited about this. I'm very happy with how it came out. I think this looks awesome. And I'll show you guys when it's dry. We'll be right back. It is really hard to focus on just the white on the white. Sorry, honey. Cool. I'm excited about this one. Okay, here we are with our dried results. I love how this came out. This is just so pretty to me. I love all of these wispy lines and how the gold, the 24 karat gold, is just blinging and blinging and blinging. And of course we have that beautiful pearl blue in there, which is amazing. And the pearl yellow. Very, very cool stuff. Okay, HOA, can you tilt slowly for us so we can see? Whoo, very blingy. Okay, come down a little bit. No. Everybody's a comedian. Come on. All right, you keep making me move the camera. Tilt it downward towards me. There you go. Now a little bit side to side. A little more. Okay, just a tiniest bit tilted upward towards you. There you go. Okay, go down again. It's so bright out here, it like all blows out. But very, very cool. I love that electric blue from the pearl blue. I love the pearl yellow, which you can see is a little softer than the 24 karat gold, but I really like using them together. This came out fantastic. I'm so thrilled. I love this. This might be my favorite thing I've ever painted. So this was awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you all so much for being here. I really love you all a lot and appreciate you. And I hope you have a wonderful day.
I love you too.
Teddy loves you too. Say hi, Teddy Bear. We'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.